In business since 1921, Holiday Outdoor Decor is the specialist in the commercial outdoor decorations business. Our experienced lighting professionals are here to help downtowns, municipalities, shopping centers, and school campuses alike to enhance their beauty and success for any seasonal holiday or community celebration. In need of banner designs or decorations for your community's holiday celebrations? Ask about Holiday Outdoor Decor's white glove service. In need of certified professional installers to put up and take down holiday decorations? Ask about Holiday Outdoor Decor's white glove service. In need of technicians to maintain and store your decorations for enjoyment years to come? Ask about Holiday Outdoor Decor's white glove service. From consultation through installation, maintenance, takedown, and storage, Holiday Outdoor Decor is designed to deliver the best experience through every phase of the outdoor decoration process.
Morristown Partnership has been working with Riley's Outdoor Decor for nearly 20 years, and we carry on a over 100-year-old tradition. The ability to create a spectacle here in the downtown sets us apart from other areas in North Jersey, and we couldn't do it without their ability to work with us.
Our initial consultation is free, including on-site review of power availability, electrical demands, and unique product needs. Our crew of full-time certified installers will make sure your decorations are delivered and installed on time, with bracket and hardware installation included. We provide the proper care and maintenance for your products, including refurbishment when needed at no additional cost to you. Once celebrations are complete, decorations are taken down by our skilled technicians and carefully prepared for transportation to our own secured, climate-controlled warehouse. Are you ready to get started? Visit our website today or give us a call to schedule your free consultation. Holiday Outdoor Decor's white glove service currently caters to these surrounding states.